Hey guys, this is Poetspice, Jamie and Lola Tallulah, and I am here for the last installment of the Stuff It Collab for 2020. I cannot believe that we are in flippin' December. And it's about to be Christmas. And yeah, so crazy. So I wanted to have some big, grand, wonderful project for the last one, but this has been a month and a half, okay? Let's just put it that way. So I'm doing good to get a project done. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I used. I did 2 boxes because I wanted to play with my Tonic craft kits and see what they looked like. So I played with this one. It's just 36, and its die looks like this. So it's a box die. Then you have your layering pieces and so forth over here. And some stamps. They always have a stamp set. And then I purchased this number 9 from Angela in a D stash. So I used this one, which is an Art Deco box. Although this is the shape is very similar to their gift bag boxes, the larger sets. So I just thought, well, why not play with these? Okay, that doesn't want to go back in there. Get all there now. Okay, something's going on here. I'll fix it later. So I picked out some papers that I had that were scraps. Well, they're not really scraps, but they're just leftover pages. So this is the number 9 box, and you can see that it has kind of that square-handled look. I loved this flower. So I took the paper, cut it out of this one, then put a layer, and then did the cutout layer. It's so pretty. Then I took this little tag and layered it up. This says with love. And this eyelash trim, because it was sitting right there and it matched. So I was like, hey, there you go. Now they have a little die that you can put a little slit here so that you could tuck this piece in. But I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. And so when I went ahead and glued this down, I'm like, oh, I like that. And I didn't want anything in here. So instead, I have the tab so that it could either lock like that, or if you need to squeeze it in more, you can push it down further. That's it. Now, the problem with this box and several of Tonic's boxes is that once you put them together, because it has a curve, you can't store it flat. So you would either have to, if you wanted to make these and store them, you'd have to make them, glue one side down, kind of fold it over, and leave them flat until you were ready to use them, and so forth. So I liked that. That was very cute. Not Christmassy. Then this is what kit was this number? Because I actually canceled my subscription. So 36. This is number 36. So I used Anna Griffin papers for her easel card to do this box. And so you can see the layers. And then I cut the little diamond pieces. And then I did the cutout layer again. And the little words. And they have 4 words. Love, peace, Noel, and maybe hope that you can put in there. And then there's like that little backer piece. And there's decoration for each layer, but I just wanted the one in the center. And then you can see this. And if you see the bottom of the box, it's got a square bottom so that you actually have this diamond shaped looking box. Right. The fun thing about this one is if you do not glue the bottom, you can actually store it flat, which is definitely a plus because you can make these up and put them in there, and you don't have to worry about storing this because you can't This one you can. Woohoo! So you can store it flat. Okay, so I just want to thank everybody who's been watching all along. I want to thank the ladies who played along in this challenge because, you know, sometimes it can be hard to figure out what you're going to do and so forth because, you know, whatever. Sometimes it's just hard. So I'd like to thank those people who watched the video and so forth. I'm going to do a little giveaway. So you need to be a visible subscriber in the United States, and you need to have commented on every single one of these videos. So there's 12 of them. So you comment on that. And I'm going to give away a little kit to cut out to make 2 of these boxes. So leave a comment below. And what should we put in the comment? I don't know. Put hope. We'll say put hope in the comment. And then, you know, that'll let me know that you want to be entered, and make sure that you've commented on all the other videos. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and thanks for supporting us all year long. And I shall see you another time. You guys be safe out there and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, or Hanukkah, or Kwanzaa, or I think it's Rosh Hashanah. Is Rosh Hashanah in December? There's another holiday that I always miss, but there you go. So everybody have a good break.